Today's tutorial is about creating parametered questions on EduPlayCloud. Parametered questions basically allow you to create multiple questions by programming only one, which is going to require you a minimal knowledge in Excel. So for today's example, we're going to be using a simple math question. So say, calculate A plus B. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to open a new Excel page. So in the first row, we're going to write our variables. So we have A, B, and then C1, which is the correct answer. C2 and C3 are the two other multiple choice questions, which are going to be wrong. So let's quickly fill in the values that we need. We're gonna put random values and then sum them in C1 and then proceed to create the wrong answers, C2 and C3. Okay, now here's the important part, is the way you save it. So we're gonna go to save as, and we're gonna save it as a CSV file. Now if you go back to our page, we go to add parameters, find our file, and open it. So a table appears with all of our numbers. What you want to do now is add double curly brackets for each variable, so it can recognize it and replace it with one of the values at random. This way, each time the person does the question, they will get a different number.